Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some goodies MAKARTT sent over to me. They sent a box full of Halloween decor, and I'm so excited to show you guys everything that came in this box. So the first thing I'm going to show are the stickers, and these are just the typical Halloween stickers. You get some pumpkins, some ghosts, the scream masks, and then you also get some fall leaves for the fall. So you never can have too many stickers, so I will enjoy using them. The next thing I'm going to show you are the sequin pieces. Now these are bigger than the normal sequences, but they have like spiders and pumpkins, bats, witches on a broom, and these are holographic. I really love how these reflect. And then also under all of the bigger sequin pieces, they have like a mixture of little stars and medium-sized glitters. Next up, we have some nail charms. Now I've been really into nail charms, and the nail charms are really popular now, so this was literally my favorite thing in this box. So that one has a little rib cage and like other little Halloween related things. This one has a pumpkin. I really love that spider with the rhinestones. That is really cute. It also has a ghost, and this one is just another one with the scream mask, and it has like a little cross with a skull on it and a ghost and everything. Super cute. So up next we have an awesome color 6-piece gel polish set. Now these colors are more for the fall. You get a bunch of greens, yellow, oranges, and red. I will swatch all of these colors later on in the video. But next up we have a duet set, and these duets are $9.99 on the website. It comes with like cute little pairs of gel polishes. And yeah, they sent me these. I actually already have the tea and yellow color. It came in a kit. I'm not sure which one, but I already had that one. And then it also comes with a white and black. And I just really love the packaging of this box. Like, it is just so pretty. And then they sent me some polygels, and they also sent me these already, but I haven't even used them yet, so I'm going to use them for this video. So the first color we have is Stellar Red, and this is just a beautiful bright red with some chunky glitters. And then this one is called Cosmic Black, and this is a black polygel with like really fine rainbow glitters in it, and it was just so pretty in the light. So I just went ahead and cured that polygel for 60 seconds, and now I'm just going to swatch all the gel polishes. I decided to just go ahead and swatch them all on this piece of paper because I felt like swatching them on swatch sticks would take too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch all of the gels on this piece of paper, and after I've finished swatching each set, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. So these first few colors are more for the fall. I just picture like the leaves turning color and falling on the ground. Like, I just love that scenery so much. Very beautiful. So I went ahead and cured that, and now we're gonna move over to the duets. So this color is called Wine, and it's like a dark brown, kind of like a burgundy. The next color is called Chocolate. Definitely one of my favorites. I didn't use it for today's video, but I will use it in other videos coming up. And then we have this beautiful green and like mustard color, very pretty. And then we have the white and black. And MAKARTT is having a clearance sale for the whole month of October. You can get up to 50% off your orders, and then also using my discount code will save you an additional 15%. And then also they have this little campaign running to where if you do a spooky set using any of the MAKARTT products, you just post it on Instagram using the hashtag. You can go to their page to see the hashtag. I'm not sure what it is right now, but they are giving away $100 to people who win it or whatever. You can go look at the details. I'm not sure, but this is everything I got in the kit, and you can get even more with this big sale going on. You have the entire month, so go ahead and make sure you get those items before everything gets sold out. So now let's get into my nail design. So I went ahead and already applied my nail tips. I'm using some C-curve nail tips. I cut them down on this size just to take away some of that C-curve. And I also have a peel off base because I have so many nail sets to do. As you guys know, I always say this. And I went ahead and applied some base coat over my natural nails and where the nail tip meets, and I cured that for 30 seconds. So I decided to use the black polygel with the rainbow glitters. I just couldn't resist. It was just so pretty. So I'm putting some 91% isopropyl alcohol into my damping dish, and I'm just going to go ahead and start my applications. So I'm just putting a line of polygel down the entire nail. This is going to be a full cover black nail of this color, and I'm just starting off by patting the polygel down, working at the cuticle area first and going from side to side, patting the polygel over the entire nail. And doing this makes it so much easier. You never want to drag the polygel because most of the time it will stick to your brush and it just becomes like super messy. But this polygel was super easy to apply. Like the stiffness of it, this polygel is more on the stiffer side, and I really love that about polygels with a thicker and stiff consistency, because once you pat that polygel and you put it in a certain area on the nail, it doesn't move unless you move it. So yeah, that's just what I love about a stiffer consistency polygel. It just makes the job so much more easier. And I went ahead and cured that pinky nail, and I'm also going to be repeating that same process on my index. I really love this color so much. I think the glitters like really got me. It was just the glitters, like the glitters in good lighting was just so pretty. So I went ahead and cured this index for 30 seconds, and this is where we're at. I tried to show like the glitters up close, but it wasn't focusing. But yeah, this is just so pretty. So for the remainder of the nails, I'm going to be putting some of these sequin pieces on. So I'm just applying some base coat to the nail because you need a wet base for these to stick. And without curing, I'm going to be placing some of these sequin pieces on. So for my initially design, I wanted to do like spider nails going up the nail, but yeah, these big spiders were like so big to where these sides weren't sticking. I literally tried everything. Like I was just gonna put them on the nail, cure the little middle part, and then go back in and try to cure the legs down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to fill in the extra space so this nail won't look very like see-through. I just wanted like some glitters in the back. So, and this is the part where I tried to like cure it down, but it wasn't really cured, and I even tried to bend it a little bit, but that didn't work. So I just tried to work with this nail a little bit more. I even tried to hold the legs down with my tweezers underneath the light, but for some reason it wasn't curing. I was just having so much trouble trying to get these on, so I just ended up filing that off. And then I tried again with some nail glue. So I'm taking the MAKARTT brush on nail glue, and I'm just putting the nail glue where I want to put the sequin piece, and I'm just gonna pat that where I want it to be, hoping it dries. But that didn't work either, so I just ended up taking off that whole entire nail, and I just moved to the ring finger just because I was so tired of working on that middle finger. So now I'm just going to be putting some little stars all over the nail in random places, and then I'm also going to be trying to do some like smaller pieces. The spiders were really big, so for this one I believe I used a little skull head and then also a ghost. So for the ghost, I did slide it up a little bit to kind of hide my natural nail underneath this nail, and then here is the little ghost I'm using, and I'm just going to try to cover up any of the empty spaces with the little stars and little skull head, and then I'm going to cure that in the light. So like I said, I was having a lot of trouble getting these on, so this is how the ring finger looks. I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds, and then I repeated that over the rest of the nails. I wanted this to be a fun set, so that's why I chose to do 3 encapsulated nails with some different color sequin pieces and like little fun things. At first I was gonna do 3 black nails, but I was just like, no, I'm gonna do some confetti pieces or sequin pieces. So now it's time to encapsulate. I'm using my all-time favorite right now, Gershon clear polygel, and I'm just going to just encapsulate the nails. I'm not going to show too much of it because this can be such a boring process, but I will make sure all of these pieces are encapsulated, and then I'll move on to my filing. So for my filing, when I do polygel, I do like to use mostly my hand file just because I have so much more control, and if my application is smooth, it makes the process go so much easier. But if I am having trouble applying the polygel and I have like a lot of bumps and indents in my nail, I will go in and remove the bulk with my e-file. But my polygel process was pretty smooth for the most part, so I am going to use my hand file for most of the filing process. The only time I'm going to use my nail drill is to go around the cuticle area and make that area flush. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and file the remaining of the nails, and I'm not going to show too much. So once I had all of the nails filed and shaped, I went ahead and buffed the nails and also washed my hands. So now it's time to apply some nail charms. So I did choose 2 nail charms for this. I didn't want to go overboard with them because like sometimes adding too many charms for different designs, it just kind of like throws it off. So I did go in with this little mummy, and I also did pick a little crossbone with the skull. So I'm just going to be putting on some of the MAKARTT rhinestone gel glue, and I'm just going to go over that with some top coat. And then once I get that on, I'm just going to place the little nail charms on the nail how I like, and then I'm going to cure them. And now I'm just going to be adding some top coat to the remainder of the nails, and then I'm also going to be top coating the underside because I do have clear nails. And I want this to be crystal clear, so top coating the underside of the nail gives that effect. So after being cured for 30 seconds and I applied some cuticle oil, these are how the nails turn out. I really love these, such a fun little set for Halloween. I really love those little charms, and also I really like this length. I decided to go for something a little bit shorter than I usually do. I did have a little bit of air bubbles in my encapsulated nails just because I was starting to run out of the clear polygel, but I still enjoy how these nails turn out. I do plan on doing some more Halloween sets for most of the month of October. Comment down below if you have some suggestions, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.